I'm a co-owner of lightrailconnect.com. My business partner, Don Mortensen, and I would like to welcome you to the second annual lightrailconnect.com Business Expo.
With EcoCab, and we run the pedicabs.
The Herb Museum is located right on light rail. People can actually come and visit us and get off right at Encanto and Central, which is the Herb Museum stop.
I'm Dan with Square D Awnings. We do custom shade.
Hi, I'm Teresa Larson with Corporate Office Centers. We offer executive suites and virtual offices throughout the Valley. We're also national.
Hi, I'm Lee Mobley with Canning Computer Supplies. We specialize in printer maintenance programs, printer service, and promotional products.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Catherine, and this is Jessie, and we're representing Alta Phoenix Locks.
And we are located on the corner of Apache and Mill Avenue.
Hi, I'm Kara Smith. I'm with the Sheraton Phoenix Downtown Hotel.
I've been in the theater community since '85.
Hi, I'm Jeff Bobek with Safewire Electric. We're the distributor of the K-Bar unit.
I'm Scott Powell with Classic Carpet Cleaning. We're located here in the Valley. We run right along the light rail.
Ryan Manley, we're with American Home Guardian Home Warranty, only residential home warranty company with the green solution built standard in every plan. Local company based right out of Mesa, so here to take care of you.
Okay, my name is Eric Johansson with Retro Pro. We're a commercial and residential remodeling company.
I'm Paul Campbell with Kephart. We're architects and planners from Denver. Met the guys, Don and Brian with Light Rail Connect, so a little over a year ago, and enjoyed working with them on some concept designs for some of the properties they have listed along Light Rail.
Hi, I'm Barbara Starley with Send Out Cards. Send Out Cards is an internet-based greeting card company. Go online, pick a card, send a card. Everything is done for you.